Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to share with you how you can make money from free traffic on the internet using any social platform that you like. It's very simple, very straightforward. And of course, if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you how you can actually double or triple that money going forward. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer, I like the idea of passive income. I'm sure you do as well. So I want to make sure that this is so easy, anybody can do it. What we're going to do is we're going to tap into the organic traffic method, right? So this is where you are getting people to come to you to click your links on your social profiles, and you are not actually having to pay for that traffic. And when I say traffic, it means eyeballs on your links. So I'm going to use my TikTok as the example here. Now you can see on here, I have a link, right? So in very straightforward terms, this link, if people click it, they go ahead and get a free ebook or access to a free ebook. All they need to do is put their details in there, which is cool. Now, once they opt into that, it's going to be sending them over to what we call a bridge page. Now, a bridge page is where you are going to introduce an offer and why they need it. And in this example, it is a video where I put this on there. You don't need to put a video if you don't want to, but it has a link here saying, yes, I want free traffic. And that then leads to an offer. And the offer in question is my highticketleadmachine.com offer, where people can go ahead and find out how to get more leads, more traffic from the social profiles organically. And it's a pretty decent page here as well. So I'm pretty pleased with it. But the key thing to remember here is it's only $7. But there's good things about this, because it's not just the $7 that people are going to go ahead and purchase, because there is a sales funnel behind it. And in fact, this site alone has made considerably more than just an average of $7 per sale. You see, to date, it's actually made $58.72 for every purchase, which means that everybody that buys, on average, they're spending $58 and not the $7, right? Super important. This is why we have sales funnels. So if you don't have a sales funnel yet, make sure you go ahead, check the description. There's going to be some ideas for you, and obviously some resources that you can go ahead and get a free trial with exactly the same as software system that I use. And this is what it looks like all mapped out. I have a TikTok video, so TikTok channel, which has a link to it, which sends to my free ebook. They go to the bridge page video, and then they go to the sales page. And if they make a purchase, great. But obviously there is more purchases on the back end there. So that's where the average cost and the average purchase goes through the roof. But we don't stop there, because when people opt in, they actually get sent to an email list, right? And then I can then start sending them out even more emails, right? And this is the super important thing, because if you set it up correctly, you're not only going to double the amount of times that people see your email, but you also potentially can double how many times people actually open and therefore click to go to more affiliate offers. So I want to jump back on here again just to show you. So people get the free ebook, they go onto an email list. I'm going to send them a series of emails, go back, watch the video, go get the offer, go get the offer. But then I'm going to add them to a follow-up list. And this is where the magic can really happen. So not only are you making money on the front end, but you're making money on the back end, because you're going to send them out to more affiliate offers. And in fact, my own personal one has 35 different offers. Now, this might not be 35 emails. This could be up to 100 or 200 emails, either sending out daily, weekly, or even twice a week. It's up to you how many times you send the emails out. And of course, you set that up with an automation inside of an autoresponder, which I'll show you in a minute. And as you can see, each time an email goes out, it is pushing a different affiliate product, potentially making a product sale, earning you a commission. And this goes on and on and on and on and on. And of course, that is what passive income is all about, because once someone opts in the first place, they're on your email list. You nurture that list, you look after that list, which means you're only sending things to them that they're genuinely interested in, related to what they opted in for in the first place. So there's more potential for you to help them by sending them these offers in the first and the second and the third and the fourth place. Now we're going to go over to Active Campaign, where I'm going to show you how you can double your open rates just using the same automations and making sure that everybody around the world gets it at exactly the same time. Now that might sound really strange, but bear with me here and you'll understand. So let's go back to Active Campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start an automation. I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch. It's going to want to select a trigger. So I'm going to put subscribes to a list, which is this option right up here. And then what I want to do is select the list. Now, the important thing here is to go for the list that they are connected to the bridge page or the actual first part of the sales funnel itself. So make sure that you tie those lists together in your integrations. Now I'm just going to select any list here so that we can just show you for this example. We're going to hit start. And the very first thing that I want to do is I want to wait, because I know that someone has just opted in by saying they want the free ebook, but I don't want to send them the email straight away because I want to give them time to watch the bridge page video and then go to the next option, potentially go ahead and make that purchase. Now, a lot of people may just pause straight away, go and check their inbox. So I'm only going to set this between 5 and 10 minutes on a wait. But let me show you how it's done. I'm going to go to conditions and workflow. I'm going to hit wait. Then I'm going to say wait for a specific period of time. And then I'm going to put 5 minutes, hit save. There we go. So as soon as someone opts into the list, it's going to wait for 5 minutes before we get to the next option. And if I just hit this plus, now it's going to say, what do you want me to do? I'm going to hit send an email. So we're going to start with a past campaign just simply because it's going to be quicker to show you here. Now I've got a lot of emails, so I'm just going to go ahead and select one of them. The content of the email isn't important right now. It's just to show you the flow. So for the purpose of speed, let's say I've created the email, I've saved the email, and now we're next on to the magical part, which is not everybody in the world is on the same time zone, right? So I want to now set a wait to send my second email to them in the series. And this is what I'm talking about and the whole purpose of the video. So stay with me on this one. So I'm going to hit plus. I'm going to go to conditions of workflow. I'm going to hit wait. Now I'm going to say wait until specific conditions are met. I'm going to select the condition. And this is the important thing here, time and date. Here we go, current time, contacts time zone. Click that, and then I'm going to say about 11 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to hit save. Now normally this will happen within 24 hours, so I'm just going to hit up to 1 day's worth in case someone decides to opt in first thing in the morning or last thing at night, then it makes sure it covers it. And now we're good to actually send the second email, which means no matter what time or zone that someone's in, they're going to receive another email from me 11 o'clock the next morning. And again, for speed, I've just gone ahead and done this. So again, you will set up your next email, which will be sending people even more information about you so they can get to know, like, and trust you, or even to send them back to the first offer. This is how we actually double the rate of opens, right? So we've got this, opens at 11 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm just going to go ahead and wait for about 8 hours, which means that they are going to have 2 touches at this. I'm going to send another email. I'm going to add this here, which means you're going to get 1 email in the morning at 11 and another email in the afternoon around 6. And that is how you can double the open rates, because not everyone's going to see that email at 11 o'clock. Some will, some won't. But of course, if you send it again, you could even use the same body, but maybe change the subject line a little bit. You're going to get another opportunity to send that person an email. Now, I learned this process a long time ago from someone that I really respect, who told me you should be sending at least 2 emails each day. Now, a lot of people might get a little bit upset with that, shall we say, that you're sending out so many emails. But the amount of complaints that I've had, in fact, over the last 5 years, with all the email campaigns that I've sent out, I've only ever had 1 person complain about how many times they're getting emails. And the really cool thing about this, or this method is the open rates for the emails just go through the roof, which means the click-through rates go through the roof too, which means you're going to earn more commission. Now, if you're interested in more products to promote, I've got this video here showing you some fantastic ideas on what you can actually promote as an affiliate marketer. So that's the video you should go ahead and watch now, because it's the next part of your passive income journey.